welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing today is a collaboration with the Birthstone Beauties, and it is May, so it is Gemini season. And we're gonna do emerald look. So let's just get right into it. Let's see here. I'm gonna use probably the Friends palette and just mix some greens together. I think what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna start off with the Fenty Beauty in this neon green, and then I'll just kind of build around that. Sound good? Yeah, I just woke up, so my hair is kind of something else. Okay, so let me put this on here and just build around it. That's what I like to do. I think that is easiest for me. So I'm just gonna start putting it like that. And it doesn't matter that it's messy because I'm gonna clean it up. Well, I'm gonna put more shadows over it, so it's gonna kind of blend in a little bit, hopefully. You know, sometimes things doesn't go exactly as you plan it, but sometimes they kind of do. Actually, they always go, for me, they don't always go the way I planned. I don't know. That's my life. But, yeah. It's messy, but here, I'm gonna turn on my lights. It's kind of messy, but like I said, we're gonna put some green over it. This color always reminds me of like spring. These colors are springy, which is fine. So I think that's good for that. I'm gonna take my fan and kind of dry the liner. So, taking a minute for it to dry. But let me open up my Friends palette. Let's see what we're gonna use here. I'm gonna go with Paleontologist right here. And I'm gonna kind of put it along the crease line, I think. If I can find a brush that will work good. I always use my color switch. I don't like this one as much because it has a hole in it, but the rest of them need cleaned, so. Well, actually, let me use this pencil brush. I think this is a lavish brush that I got from the BoxyCharm, the last BoxyCharm. So I'm just gonna kind of go over my dog. I'm gonna go over that line I already made. Hey, shush. Like so. I'm ready for this whole quarantine thing to be over. See, it looks messy, but I'm gonna kind of blend a little bit. And I might have to go over with that liner again, but that's fine. Just as long as I get the base down. And then I'm gonna go in with Smelly Cat. Remember that song from Friends? I just know it was Smelly Cat. That's all I don't know. Yeah, let's put it on the lid. It's kind of a shimmery, like light green. Yes, I think that's cute, don't you? Yeah, that's pretty cute. I know emerald's more dark green, but that's like the structure of my eye look is the dark green, the emerald. And I do have green eyes, but green on green is not really, like, it's more like mauves and purples that make green eyes stand out. But I like green eyeshadow too. So yeah, it's kind of messy right now. I'm gonna go in with some of this Naked guy, which is like kind of like a neon, and I'm gonna kind of put it on the outskirts of the whole thing. And I'll probably go in with the dark green again, just to make sure everything's like more crisp. It looks pretty good. So, I mean, it does look messy, but I'm not opposed to that. So I'm gonna go back in with the green liner, and I'm gonna kind of clean it up as much as I can. On each eye. Looks pretty good, I think. I don't know, but all I know is that I can't see as well anymore. Well, I can with my glasses, so. But I think these take a minute to dry. That actually looks really good in person. Everything always looks like crap on camera, but I'm gonna kind of let that dry while I put the rest on. I'm gonna use my Bronze Please by L'Oreal. Clean my brush off here and just put it in my normal spots. Yeah, I just kind of woke up not that long ago, so my voice is kind of my morning voice. So it's kind of annoying, but sorry. And yeah, I was gonna wear like a blue tie-dyed shirt, which was really cute, but I didn't think that would go with green, so I just put my black shirt on. Like, I have so many black shirts. I love black shirts. Black shirts and blue jeans is like my base for my whole wardrobe. And stripes, I don't know why, but stripes. Vertical stripes too. I wear what I want. So I got a package from my friend Lori. I'm just gonna show you this. She gave me this palette. It's a magnetic palette, and I got a few blushes in there. She gave me a whole bunch of blushes. Like, there's like a whole bunch down here. Maybe I'll do a video on that. And she gave me some concealers and stuff. So thanks, Lori. I'm really liking this one right here. This one is Love Affair. I'm not sure by what brand it is. Maybe Coastal Scents. But I'm probably gonna try. I'll probably wear all three, honestly. It's what I do in my life. But I like bright blushes because I feel like blushes do not show up on my skin. And I don't know why, because I'm like really white. I've mentioned this before, so I'm not sure what the deal is. I'm probably going overboard, but I can always taper it down with something. I don't know, but yeah, that's bright. Let's go in with this brush right here. See if I can just diffuse it a little. We want to look springy, but gosh, we don't want... That worked. That worked. Okay. So, okay, let's see here. Let me get this mirror higher. I think I'm liking the eyes, so let's see. I'm gonna put some black liner on. And like I said before, I'm doing bad at liner these days. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna do a tiny little wing that comes out from that other wing, the green. I like hold my eyes so like still, it kind of gives them wrinkles, so it kind of don't look, you see what I'm saying, there's like little breaks in the liner. So that's why at the end I'll take a brush and smooth it. I mean, everybody has a different face, so that's just, I'm not really that wrinkly, it's just that maybe my eyes kind of, lids are, I don't know, they're getting kind of old. But that's life. Anyways, so I'm gonna take, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take this angle brush and just smooth that out. Actually, even though like this ain't perfect, I'm kind of liking this look. Actually, I didn't think I was going to, but I'm gonna take a little bit more dark green so that, sorry if you can hear the shower running. Oh well, it's real life. It's real life here. I always feel like there's like a little piece of my dog's hair in my nose. Okay, so we're almost done, but I'm gonna take a little bit more of the dark green called Paleontologist. Boop, boop, right there. And I'm going to just put it along that line a little bit more, even though we distinguished it more. I'm gonna go in there more carefully. And just, yeah, that looks nice. Okay. Just do it kind of carefully to make sure that it gets right in there. I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the bottom of what's left over on my brush. Okay, so I'm really liking this. Then I'm gonna take, if I can find it, God, my hair looks out of control, y'all. I'm gonna take the Sephora little pencil, it's a sample size. I'm gonna go in my waterline. Looks good. I got some fallout. I'm gonna get that out of here. And we're gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna go with the Grande Drama mascara by whatever, Grande Drama? I don't know. And just coat my regular lashes, which are little and dumb, but that's what we got, so that's what we work with. So hopefully everybody's doing good. I'm ready for our normal lives to come back, but I don't see that happening anytime. Do you? Okay, I think that's good for everything. I'm gonna throw on a nude. If you got a bold eye, usually want to throw in a nude, but you don't have to. You can do whatever you want. But anyways, this is Sinister Seduction by Makeup Revolution. I love the packaging. That's one reason I picked it up, but give it a spray with the Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics in Dreamsicle. And I think this is the final look, y'all. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you go follow the other ladies in the Birthstone Beauty collab. They're going to be doing their version of the May stone. I think maybe everybody's doing emerald or whatever. But anyways, thank you for watching. Go down and follow all the ladies. Make sure you follow all my social media. And thank you for watching. Bye.